Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give the access of your page to any of your friends. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open a web browser. So I'm opening the Chrome browser from my laptop. So I'm clicking on it. And now you have to visit facebook.com. So I'm typing here facebook.com. And after then you have to switch into your page. So click on the top right corners icon, and from here choose your page. I'm choosing it, and here you will get an option settings. And if you scroll down a bit, you will get the option for it, but we are going to find the shortcut options. And to do that, normally click on this search settings option, and here you have to type access. And here you will get another option, page access. And now click on this add new option. Make sure that you are selecting the option people with task access. So I'm clicking on it, clicking on this next button. And now here you have to type the name of your friend. So if you can't find your friend's account, then you have to copy the URL of your friend's profile, and then you have to paste it here. And for my friend's profile, I'm just gonna open a new tab here, searching facebook.com, searching the name of my friends. And after then open the profile of your friend and make sure that you have followed that person. So you can see that I'm following him right now. Now I'm gonna copy the URL of that profile, and then you have to paste the profile link and you will get the profile. Select the profile and check all of the boxes here, since we are going to give that person full access. So clicking on this give access. Now provide your password. Now click on this confirm button. And now an invitation has been sent to your friend's notification bar. So if your friend check the notification and accept it, then he is going to be a manager of your page. So I'm just coming here again after accepting the invitation. So here you can see that that friend has been accepted the invitation, and the red mark has been gone. Now if you want to give that friend full control of your page, then normally click on this three dot, and here you will get an option change access level, and click on this next button, and here you can choose this option, allow this person to have full control. Check this, update access. Now provide your password again. Now click on this confirm button. And that's it. We have successfully given that person full control over my page. Now you know how to give full access of your page to one of your friends, or how to give manager access to your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.